Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. For those of you that have never seen one of my videos, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. This is going to be a quick little video for doing an easy abstract. This is for anybody. You don't have to be a professional artist. I'm certainly not. Anybody can do this. Right now I have a 14 by 14 canvas ready to go with white acrylic on. It's 50% white acrylic and 50% a glue and water mixture. So it's a very fluid paint. Pour painting is awesome. Abstract painting is even better because nothing has to be perfect. And again, you don't have to be an artist to do this. Anybody can do this. I was asked though what I use for my bottles, so I thought I'd do a quick demonstration quickly about the bottles. I've got a 17-ounce wide mouth bottle here. These come in a 6-pack on Amazon for $17.99. Makes it $3 a bottle. A little bit pricey, but really nice sized bottles. But my favorite is this one here. This is a 12-ounce. Comes in a 12-pack for $21.99. Makes it $1.83 a bottle. The wide mouth is definitely what you want to go with because pouring your small bottles of paint and water in here is easier than it is, let's say, an 8-ounce bottle, which this one is a 10-pack you can get on Amazon for $19.99. But this is so small, it makes it a lot harder to get your paint in there. You make a mess. So this one is, again, an 8-ounce bottle, 10-pack you can get for $19.99. This one is a 12-ounce bottle. You get 12 of them for $21.99. So that's $1.83 a bottle. And then you can also get an add-on item when you buy from Amazon. There's different things you can get for add-ons. This one is a 2-pack for $2.47, which makes it $1.23 a bottle. But again, it's a small opening. It's not the wide mouth. So if anybody's looking at getting bottles to start mixing your paint and trying this, get the wide mouth, the big opening. This one again is the 12-ounce bottle, and it is perfect. If you want to save money though, this bottle that I have the glue and water in I just showed you, this is a creamer bottle. I like my coffee cream, so as soon as I'm done, I rinse this out and I use it for my glue and water. These don't seal well though, so if you're not going to use it up quickly, I wouldn't recommend using these bottles. I've even used water bottles and the smaller creamer bottles to mix my paint. So you can definitely do this on a budget as well. I personally like the wide mouth bottles. All right, so 14 by 14 canvas, by the way, is from Michaels. You can get these in a 6-pack. Sometimes you can get them as a 6-pack bonus pack, which is a +1, so 7 canvases. So if you're doing 6 canvases at $16.99 for the bundle pack, it's $2.83 a canvas. Very affordable art. If you get it as the 7-pack, which is the 6+1 bonus pack at Michaels, works out to $2.47 a canvas. So again, very affordable art to do. So I'm going to just blow out the bubbles here quickly. And hopefully that information I just gave you is helpful, because I know lots of you are at home trying to do this painting. Right, everybody? All right, bubbles are out. I'm just going to do a quick little abstract. I'm going to reuse clear container here, and I'm going to be doing black. Got to get the lid off. So black's going in first. Then we're going to be doing my fire red. And I always do it on a tilt so that the paint can sit on top and not mix in too much. And red always spills all over my hands. It seems to be the color I always spill. I'm going to do a little bit of the burnt umber, which is a darker brown. And some bronze. Bronze is one of my favorites to use on the abstract pours I'm going to do here. I'm going to do a little bit more just because I really like the bronze. Okay, and then I have a wine berry, which has been a very popular color with everyone. We'll do that one as well. Okay. Then I think I'm just going to do a little bit more white. Lucky just a little bit because I just ran out. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of gold. Okay. Put all my caps on, make sure I don't spill anything. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just do a quick little flip cup. Try not to make too much of a mess. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Sorry, that's my phone vibrating behind me. I just got in the door from work about an hour ago, so I haven't caught up on all my messages and everything. But you know, priorities, right? You gotta paint first, talk later. Okay, so I'm gonna lift this up and just bring it this way a little bit. Some of the colors drip out. Okay, now I want to save that container for later. I'll be rinsing that one out. Now what I want to do is just pick this up and twirl it around a little bit just to get the paint moving. I don't need to fill the whole canvas because I'm going to put plastic over it and press down. That's my plan. I haven't done it this way, so I have no idea if it's going to work out. It'll be a test for all of us. And here's my plastic. I'm just going to lay it down over my paint. And I'm just going to press a little bit, very lightly. Just get some of that paint moving. Get some of those bubbles out. Okay, now let's see if this is a masterpiece or not. I'm going to do corner to corner. Yeah, corner to corner. Woo, so far so good. There we go. Just going to slide this way a little bit. And we have ourselves a blooming flower, it looks like. An abstract one, but it still is. Let me take a look and see what it does when I torch it. Now the torching helps bring out the cells and get all the bubbles out. The plastic does cause quite a bit of bubbling. All right. I don't know if you can see what I can see, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to turn it, and I am going to lift it a bit so you can see. I like that I had some white still showing. Look at that. Gorgeous. All right, I'm going to leave that and let it dry as is. I'm not going to fiddle with it at all. There we go. Again, thank you very much for joining me, everybody. Anybody that's new, please hit subscribe. And anybody that's watching, if you know somebody that might like this video, please share it for me. Much appreciated. Again, enjoy your evening. Thanks, everyone.